In this video, I'm going to walk you through adding a sunrise-sunset schedule to a smart device. Schedules are primarily used for outdoor lighting. Coming home to a lit house adds both safety and comfort to your life. While you can set this for any time, I prefer to set my outdoor lights for sunset and sunrise to keep it simple. Let's get started. Go ahead and hit the plus sign and choose Schedules. Then follow the on-screen instructions. If you run into any type of issues, please reach out to our Deako support team.